Hey guys, now we're going to go through your professional services forecasting, and here we're going to calculate the revenue you're going to take in and the costs that you're going to suffer in order to deliver those services. As usual, there's a little guide which explains it and our link assumptions to show you what is going to be feeding into the model. Now here we'll see the summary of the revenue per package and the costs and the number of people you'll get and actually what your margin is. It's worth noting that typically for companies in excess of 2-3 million in MRR, that your margin on service is about 20%. So we'll see here the number of customers using professional services. Now the next thing we'll do is we're going to calculate your revenue. So first we take out your percentage of new annual customers that will actually use those services. These are your new customers. And here we have hidden an optimization if you want to improve things over time. We'll say we're going to start offering our customers professional services in month 8 of our forecast. And 10% of basic, 10% of premium, 20% of pro people will adopt those. You can increase them over time if you want to change assumptions. That will mean that around 2-ish customers will be using professional services in your first month. How much do you charge for the project? This is your revenue, right? So you'll charge $1,000 for basic, up to $4,000 for your pro, which means that in your first month, we'll be making $6,700 in professional services revenue, increasing over time to be doing, $460,000 a year. Now for our costs. These are calculated basically the same way as in your expense calcs for your customer support staff. How many minutes does it take to service every professional client? How many focused hours a day are your professional services staff actually working on client work? That tells you the number of minutes that they'll be working and what their cost is. And so we divide these up to figure out the actual costs it'll cost you to service them. Therefore, how many staff you need and what the cost of it is, and it'll tell you your margin. Now, benchmarks are that you will be getting about 20% margin on professional services. If you think you can do better, that's great, but just be aware it's around 20-ish%. That's it. Really simple. So what percentage of your new customers will use professional services or onboarding, whatever you want to call it? How much do you charge for each project? Done. How long does it take to do each product in minutes? How many hours a day do your staff work? And you're done. These will feed in, and they'll feed into your profit and loss and to your staff sheets under your COGS section. Hopefully that was simple.